want to talk about cold calling, telephone prospecting for real estate, and I'm not talking about calling your friends and family and neighbors, people who know you, like you, trust you. I'm not talking about calling for sale by owners. I'm not talking about calling expireds. I'm talking about cold calling up and down the streets. And the secret is to have the right words. And if you're going to have the right words, it means you're not, N-O-T, not going to have the wrong words. What are the wrong words? Hi, I'm a local real estate agent. Really? Local? No, those are the wrong words. I have a buyer. Those are the wrong words. Oh yeah, I care about the buyer. I couldn't care less about you, Mr. Seller. Wrong words. What other coaches tell us to say are, oh, I just listed a home in the neighborhood. I just sold a home in the neighborhood. Absolute death in prospecting. Never say these things, okay? Fearless agents, we teach you a thing called message discipline. We know what the seller's thinking. We know what you need to be thinking, and we teach you the exact right words to say in every real estate situation. And then you show up with the perfect presentation that gets what you want to have happen, not only for you, but for the seller. It's always about the seller or the buyer in that case. So you got to be prepared for anything when you're calling. It could be an investor. They don't necessarily live in the house. It could be a wrong number. If you call a wrong number, it wouldn't matter because they still want to sell. It could be a buyer and not a seller. It could be like a seller who's inherited a property. So anything could happen, but we teach you how to be prepared for all of those situations. There's a presentation that we teach you for all of that stuff. So if any of this stuff makes sense to you, I want you to go to fearlessagent.com. In the banner at the top, in the right-hand side, click where it says free webinar, watch our webinar, then give me a call at 480-385-8810. I will probably answer the phone when you call myself. And let's see if Fearless Agent might be a good fit for you. If it is, you're going to get rich, realtor rich. If it's not a good fit, we'll admit that to each other. I'm still happy to help you in any other ways I can. And if you're a real estate company owner and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, then watch our video at fearlessagentrecruiting.com and go to the podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Subscribe to that. Subscribe right here at fearlessagent.tv. So we have a lot of resources for you. Those free things, guaranteed, are going to be better coaching than you would get from any other coach in America. That's my guarantee to you, because we want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.